Okay. Mr. Stiff, sorry. You're reaching your name. Yeah. But you know, for those
Stiff for the ladies.
Stiff for
the man, not next.
So just tell us a little bit about your history, because, you know, a lot of people don't know you from the 90s and stuff like that. So just, you know, just...
Actually from the 80s.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I've been around from Shabba Rankin, Lewiston and Stitchy, Almar Bailey, perform with all of them, you know what I'm saying? Perform with some of the greats them from Trinidad, some of the soca artists like, you know, Calypso Road, DeFasto, all of them, you know what I'm saying? I've been around a long time. I was one of the artists from back in the 80s, 87, 88, 86, and on the New York movement with Shine It and all of that stuff like that. You know what I mean? I took a little break, you know what I mean, for 20 years. I'm back in the thing. You know what I mean? Me look young like enough for them artists are still, but actually, I mean, I'm a 40s, see? I still look good. Good living, see me? Yeah.
So what projects are you working on right now?
Right now, well, you know, so I'm do a tune one year.
Dark Star.
Dark Star, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I had a video, Mr. Jolly. You know what I'm saying? We're going to release that soon, officially. Just finished our next video for some people I'm working with in Jamaica called named Call Me.
So talk about your award that you just received.
Oh, yeah. Big up the people them from Guyana and Trinidad who recognize me in the business. I got a nice award, Lifetime Achievement. You know what I'm saying? In the business, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm in the business over 30 years. You know, and like I say, respect. Yeah, no, you can Google Mr. Stiff, you can find me. You know what I'm saying? You Google LLOYDIE, STIFF, you can find me. My original name is Lloyd D Stiff, like Doug E Fresh, LLOYD, space D, space STIFF. You can find me. See?
Where you get Mr. Stiff?
Well, I know. Can't talk, I'm going to kill you. You're from the ear. You say, who feels it knows it. But when I say my Jamaican people have a thing with it because, you know, the homophobic thing, you know what I'm saying? But once you know yourself, you know what I'm saying? You say you live in America, right? You work amongst a lot of people. You know, just know, say, when you leave work, yo, that one to stay over the sun, you're over here, so. You see me? At Jamaica, when them play my thing, them not say Stiff, them say Lloyd. You see me? You know what I mean? But the girls, them, you know, just like you ask a question, what make them call you Stiff? And you see, anyway the girl them come, the man them will follow. So, the female them cater to, and then all follow and behind. So, Mr. Stiff in the building. Stiff for the ladies, just light for the man them, straight.
How can somebody contact you if they want to, you know, get your dub plates or, you know what I mean?
My dub plate, you can check my virgin Danger Mental. I'm there on Facebook, I'm there on Twitter, I'm there on Blackberry Messenger, all over the place.
I'm Kyenie.
You just came off a tour, your European tour. Just talk a little bit about that.
Was exciting. It was very productive, you know, reach out to a different scale of artists and new fans, build some new fans, perform with a bunch of new artists and stuff like that, and it was a great experience and very productive, you know. So now we're here in the lab, finish mixing out some things, getting ready for the new year and stuff like that. So we're just mixing out a couple songs while we work on 3 albums, acoustic, a cover album, and plus the Kyenie, you know.
Well, I have to blow up your spot. You was on the Shatta's soundtrack. Just talk about how you got on the Shatta.
Long story short, it was a miracle, you know, because I recorded this song, Rain, DMelody in Jamaica. You know, Wings of a produced. It's the first songs I ever produced, Wings of an Angel and Rain, you know, and asked Derek Barnett to come play on a track for me, and him tell me Cecil where I was putting out the Shatta's movie and stuff like that. Him said to contact him, contact says, him say, I want a sad song. I said, I have a song named Rain. Him said, that's the one I want. So everything just happened simultaneously, and the Almighty just blessed it in a way where says, I send the song to him. It was a demo. I sent it to him, he said, it him want. You know, him fell in love with it right away. And I said, but I have to re-record it. Him said, no, I want it just the way it is. You know, so the powers of the music and the Almighty. You know?
But Kyenie, you perform with some of the biggest names in the industry.
Sure, Sean Paul, 2002 with a Canadian and US tour. We did all the major shows them, and you know, I say we did our own individual thing. We was on the road with Calibos, did Trinidad and Tobago, and you know, we just stay putting in the work. So a lot of people, like, you know, because I haven't done anything in New York City in a while. The only thing I did here was the Linkage Award shows and, you know, make special guest appearance at some venues and stuff like that. But you know, the whole politics behind music industry, you know, I says them say a king is never honored in his own town.
Say I'm a fan and I want to get in contact with you. How do I do that?
Well, there's always Kyenie.com, KYENIE.com. We have the Facebook, facebook.com/Kyenie King. You know, log on to Kyenie new page because the Kyenie King totally full. We have no more room for no friends and stuff, but log on to it, Kyenie, a new page. You know, we have the myspace.com/Kyenie also, Reverb Nation. It's like everything Kyenie. The Twitter, oh, Kyenie_music.
So what is actually coming out for 2012?
We have this new song, it's called Dream. It's one of my new favorite, and it's one of something that I really feel, you know, in my soul. You know, that song came about when I was in Germany, and I get excited about it because it's more than spiritual, you know, and it's not just talking on my behalf. It's a lot of people share the ultimate goal. Everybody have this dream that, you know, want to see this world a better place, you know what I say? And I'm one of the advocates who really and truly believe, say, the world can be a better place if people coordinate and work hand in hand. You know what I say? Because there's too much negativity that's on the top, and over the years it keep on rising more and more. People have to wake up the minds. You know what I say? So Kyenie do songs to wake up the mind. So I have a dream, definitely. I want to wake up the people in mind, and you know, we're going to keep on doing our thing with the acoustic. We're going to release a song on the acoustic side also, which is Journey. We already shot a music video for it and all these things and stuff like that, you know. But we're getting ready to go back to Europe again, go campaign, you know.
Well, I'm promoting Loneliness. I like that song. You guys check it out, Kyenie. Jamar the Star. People don't know. You was a DJ first. You're artist now. You're not Jamar no more. You're Jamar the Star.
I know the biggest thing, I was an artist first until Kamar called me and said, yo, Jamar, you are going to kick off a sound, you see it? I said, you mean? You see me? I said, I have flame sound, and we just do it same time. You see me? I said, I realize, say, enough when I bring my music, I get a DJ, I want to play it and everything, I'm going like, well, I'm there. You see me? So I say, alright then, we need a higher flame sound, you don't know. You see me? So we start tearing down the place, play my own music, came on mixing my music, and we say, yo, that's artist, that's the artist thing drop in. So you see me? I say,
so what's the new song?
Right now, I have a new song right now, named Joker Smoker out right now, the way she wine for me. Crazy thing, but Joker Smoker right now, tearing the whole world right now.
So how you get that Joker Smoker way?
Joker Smoker now, Joker Smoker is a man, because I know people smoke herbs, you know, but not everybody are herbalists. You see what I'm saying? So, because if you're an herbs man, you don't know you have to have a lighter, you have to have a grabber, you have to have a rizzler, you have to have everything, you see what I'm saying? You have to have herbs, no, natural, you see? Yeah, so, but when we really come, I'm come up with a song that's still be there in the club and thing, and we did it, and you know, no lighter, and brother say, yo, let me a lighter, man, because, and the man go back again as he split out, yo, let me a lighter, I say, yo, man swift out again, yo, let me light, I say, yo, nah, my lord, you can't do it, I say, no, as me reach home, I write a tune know this. You see me, and I saw this company named Joker Smoker, and get for him find out, say, Tristan Palmer do a song like that, way back in the 80s after me done record the song, I beat me in a production, so.
Okay, so what should we be expecting? Because you know you're the new thing on the market now. So what should we be expecting from you? Are you gonna bleach, or you know what I mean? Something there after a while, after your boss, or I mean, what's going on? What's
why you say gonna bleach after a boss? You gonna say anything? But you are going now. Nah, man. No man, you don't know Jamar the Star still natural already. You see me, I say, really get a star from long time from Spanish town. You see me, I say, you don't know we keep everything real, and you see me, I say, yeah, we just straight get a thing. You see me, I say, we not last week no time in the business, you see it? Straight.
So how could somebody contact you if they wanted to?
Well, you don't know how to contact me, no contact Higher Flame Sound. You see me, I say, you don't know Kamar. You don't know 914-494-1978. You don't know, don't play it, get Higher Flame Sound, the whole business. You see me, I say, because right now, thing turn up, you see it?
Where did they get the
Yo, actually, no, somebody in my kitchen one day, I'm there sing, and I say, yo, I'm there tune up my voice, yo. And I go up on the radio and go say, yo, and his brother call me and say, yo, you see that thing where you do so while ago? I say, what that? Man say, do say one thing him, yo. So I say, hey, we don't say it. Man say, yo, don't stop say that you wicked. I say, eh? You see me? Yo, I a Jamar the Star. You see it? This way there.
So, Janina, I hear you're a coach at Leman College.
It's an interesting thing when you meet people and you deal with tasks and having to train them. It's interesting. Yeah.
So what exactly do you, because you know track and field is broad. Do you specialize in one area or?
I'm a throws coach. So basically I manage all the throws from hammer throw, weight throw, shot put, javelin, discus, everything under that spectrum.
So a person like me, you know, small like me, would I be able to throw or?
If you get your weight up, probably could. If you get
so skinny people can't throw?
I mean, skinny people can throw. Is if they have a good snap or a good technique, they should be okay.
What's the one with the stick? Javelin?
Javelin.
Would I be able to do that? Cause
you should be able to, because you did run for a little bit, but yeah, you should be able to do that.
Okay, so you know, say I was an athlete and I wanted to, you know, become part of Leman and you're a coach there. How would I
get in contact with everyone? Yeah. If you're a Leman student, that's how you become an athlete at the school. You have to get in contact with Coach Hogg. You go to the Apex. It's the main building on Bedford Park. You go upstairs to the second floor. You walk all the way down to the end of the hallway. And you go straight into the coach's office, and basically you look for Coach Hogg, and he can help you sign up for the track team.
Okay, but Leman, is that a good college? You know, did they win any championships or anything?
In my time there as an athlete, we had 3 championships, 2 indoor, 1 outdoor. Currently working on our 4th championship.
And I was part of the championship. Sorry, I had to just rub that in there. No,
we're very professional at Leman for the most part. No one's and we have no incidences of molestation, abuse of any kind of sort.
Is a CUNY school better than a SUNY?
CUNY schools are cheaper than SUNY school, but it's the same exact system they follow. Okay. Nothing's different.
But Leman is like a D3. Would, you know, as an athlete, is it better to go to a D3 school? I mean, do you get the same respect as if you was going to a D1 school?
As a D3 school athlete and a coach, you don't get the same respect because you don't have the same amount of funding. Okay. But you do what you can with what you have and you make the best of it. That's how I look at it.
Thanks, Janina. So, DJ Troy.
Okay, I'm a selector. I've been doing this for 20 years. We used to be federal, running federal for like 6 years. Then
that must be so weird, son.
Down in the South Bronx. You know, we used to do like mostly like the basement parties, you know, like 6-7 parties in one night. Yeah. Grew up in the music business, you know, get tutored by, you know, a lot of veterans and stuff like that, and then venture out, you know, start my own little thing. You know, now we're Soulless Movement, now we're Click Music. My selectors are mostly family members, homegrown, trained, and, you know, holding it down, do parties. Right now we do, you know, most of my events that I do is most of private stuff. Okay. Weddings, birthday parties, dinner parties, you know, boat rides, private stuff. Well, quick, into the hardcore dancehall that much.
How can somebody contact you if they want to contact you? Okay,
you could you know, do the Facebook stuff, facebook.com/DJ Troy. You know, you could email us, clickmusic@mail.com, or you could dial me up 347-330-0969.
Are you guys related, Jamar, Kamar? I mean, higher flames?
Just my brother from another mother.
Okay. So just talk a little bit about higher flames.
You know, because I used to play for another sound in the Bronx, a sound named HQ, but then, you know, we had a disagreement, so we decided we need one thing. Start the sound, and we started on the radio, linkage radio, and, you know, keep a few party, but instantly the thing just shoot off, like people just love the energy. So man, so people love Jamar. Jamar come out with the Firewine song. We had a thing named Firewine Fridays. People just took to it.
Oh, you guys promote parties as well?
Yeah, because the radio show and all that, you know, everything just tied in one. Okay. So man said, so, yeah, the Facebook and everything, you can all check it. We have all the upcoming events and things on Facebook. Is facebook.com/higherflamesound, and flames with a Z, not a S. Okay. You see me? So, you know, we are doing thing. You see me?
So what's next for you?
I just love playing music. That's how me stay. I'm gonna consider myself a selector, because them say selector only play reggae. Okay. He's a DJ. You see me? I say me play a hardcore dancehall party tonight and have a retirement party for the tomorrow. So I play everything. You see me 80s disco straight to old school reggae, souls, everything. You see me? I say, so that's where me find my joy. And I feel like I want to step up the Higher Flames sound to a level of sound clash one day. You see me, I say I've been investing in my dub plate them and things. I'm not ready to kick up nobody yet. You know, just go on in a slow pace because find out sometimes when you rush, you know, you might flap yourself. You see me, I'm not trying to flap it thing. But right now, we think I'm going good. The ladies, them love his sound and, you know, it's all that matter. Okay. And yeah, the Facebook you can also find up on Twitter/Higher Flames, yeah.
So Superman, just explain a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, well, I'm a local Calypsonian from the island Antigua and Barbuda. And I've been doing some local recording for the past 6 years here in the United States. Yeah, I've been doing it from home, combine everything together. It's like 29 years. Okay. Yeah, so now we're looking like sponsors, you know. We have some songs out recorded here by Backyard TV, backyardtv.net. For more information, you can call Backyard TV. Yeah, you can call me at 347-641-5423.
Okay.
Yeah, you
and how do you spell your name and so the people don't confuse you with somebody else?
Well, right name is Walter, and the artist name is Calypso Cool. Easy, CWL Cool. I've been promoted by Backyard TV, so hopefully somebody will hear that.
Can you just, you know, do a little freestyle so people know what you're so like?
Oh yeah, I'm the super that they say of the picture, I just say. I am not insane, I'm good in my brain, but this year I changed my name. My name is Superman. My name is Superman. Carnival in the air, I'm making this clear. This year I'm taking my share. My name is Superman. My name is Superman. Yeah. That's just a little piece.
That's just a little piece. So darling, just talk a little bit about yourself.
Oh yeah, I'm Skinne John, you know.
Where you get the name from, sorry?
Well, everybody call me, say me look skinny all the time, so in Kingston I just sing all over the place, you know. Pop and Party Festival. 92 and 93 I came in the top 10 2 times. I came here singing the Backyard TV also for many months. Reggae drum promotion, Dave Judah. I singing for him for 5 years on his talent show. I came in at a second place in 2007 at JFK, and I'm singing now at Manhattan every Friday night. Proper here, straight every Friday night.
Where in Manhattan?
43rd Street with Loving Life Center, Loving Life Ministry. I just finished a video with me on Rasbeck from Lion Love Studio out of Queens. Now on YouTube, now that we're apart. I have 5 singles on iTunes now on Amazon.com. SKINNE.JOHN.
So can you just, you know, freestyle? Because I'm just wondering.
Now that we are apart, you cannot have my heart. So let's say goodbye until you kill that lie. You know, leave my life alone. Will you please go on home? Just for telling me you are still in love with me.
Bop, 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 bop.
Name is DMelody. I'm singing for a while, yes.
And what kind of music you sing? You sing the dancehall, the reggae, the calypso?
Well, I do all kind of music. You know, reggae music officially, but you know, you have hip-hop sometimes where you have other people in combination with it. Yeah. You know, lovers rock. Everything that make people move, man.
So how can somebody contact you if they wanted to?
Okay, yeah, can go up on MySpace. Okay. There, DMelody. Just get on it, and yeah, Twitter you can DMelody Twitter.
Okay. Is it like D-E-E or just a D?
Just capital D. Okay. Melody.
Alright, can you just freestyle?
When I look in your eyes, I see your smile. I know everything gonna be alright. When I look in your eyes, I see your smile. I know everything gonna be alright.
Name is Jah-Sean, representing Beat Me in a production every time. Big Bad Blue Lion, big up yourself anyway there. Bigga Tugs, Banjo, Kyenie, Jamar Di Star.
So wait,
I'm sorry. Yo, Jamar the Star. Yo, man, so big up yourself. You don't know Kamar. Big up everybody. Backyard TV always, every time. Well, you know the name is Juston, best R&B singer there is in the world.
Right. Why you consider yourself the best?
Lyrically, we got it. Written, we got it. Vocally, we got it. Chill the girls them, we got it. Singing, me lock it. Padlock it. Mine, I feel me.
Yeah. Okay, so what music you have out right now?
Well, for right now, I'm working with BME in the production, and they have the this there's a rhythm called Tormented, and I have collab with Dexadaps. I have collab with Kyenie, you know what I mean, and so I have a few things out there, you know what I mean.
How can somebody contact you if they wanted to?
If you want to reach me, you have to call me upon my cell phone. My number at 718-598-4363.
I just want to say, like, you know, the topic that we discuss, some topics may sound simple. There's nothing really cut and dry. A man will say, well, you know, I'm against push-up bra. And you know, you go down the street and you see a chick look good and you look what I see where. You know what I'm saying? And I go to push up where I have. So, you know, as a life is a big conversation. Sometimes our image means that whatever fit you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know,
self-love comes first.
Exactly.
Self-love.
You know, as long whatever you're comfortable with. You understand? If you're comfortable with you natural and you understand, as long as you fit you and you wear it well and you're comfortable with it, that's become your image and other people can accept it. It's always a conversation, a disagreement and another opinion. Bogie, big up yourself. Alright, great job. Great job. Bogie manage. Yeah man, I also want to say big respect to Black Barbie, big respect to Wendy K, DJ Hypeness, the one and only Tommy Trouble. Just want to say big respect and thank you to all the hosts that come through and hold it down and, you know, make it the thing nice and everything great. All the past guests, you know, because, you know, this is talk show, so the guest is the co-host, because the guest is a part of what make up the show. So I just want to say thanks and, you know, much love to everyone. You know, since we started out, it's been great. It's really, you know, an idea that I wanted to do something different, you know, in opposed, like for the artists, for the artists can come out and you can see the artist, who the artist is. See them thing and
different views and opinions.
Exactly, the artist is a real person. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of time that work so much more better than a song. Yeah, if you come here and you give a little joke and something that make people feel a vibe, they would never forget it.
You didn't even know the people.
Never forget it. 50 years from now.
It's important to the artist.
True.
You know, yeah, it's very important.
True. So I want to, you know, I think the message, it's slowly accepting, you know, the vibe, the fun. I don't think I really see another talk show out there. I really, you know, measure up to what we're doing right back here. People don't stop, people come and them watch it yesterday and them still never stop laughing. It's working and I'm really happy to see that. Now, this is the backyard. That's my image. I actually, just to show my side of the image, I actually created my own image and bring you here. There's nothing that can make me feel prouder than being here and people from the community come here and I hold a vibe and I laugh. And it's a place also just to let you guys know you can come here. You know what I'm saying? Have a drink, the little thing over there, so kind of designed to kind of help the motor running. You buy a bucket of water here, so in opposed to down at the corner, I appreciate it because it helps to keep things going and keep exactly. All right, so you can feel free to stop by here anytime, have a drink, and you will have vibes. Camera always a roll. TV and every week, so you know. All right.
Tell a friend to bring a friend.
Tell a friend. Yes. Yes. Well, yeah, but backyardtv.net. That's the main website, backyardtv.net, and pretty much everything else is Backyard TV.
Well, we're live at Backyard TV. Is there a contact number to reach you?
Yes, you know, I think, yeah, man, there is a contact number. The contact number is 917-913-4516. That's my main number that you can reach me. 917-913-4516. And again, the website is backyardtv.net. The Twitter, everything is Backyard TV. Twitter/Backyard TV, Facebook/Backyard TV, YouTube/Backyard TV.
You hear that massive? Make sure you log on and tell a friend to tell a friend and come out. Is this every Saturday?
Yeah. Next year, when we come back, you know, we're gonna come back more into incorporate more business into it.
Okay. You said so. This is the final shooting for this year. So. Is it going to be open every Saturday until the new year so people can come hang out and have a drink?
People can come here anytime. I'm really right.
Okay, cool. So you hear that? Make sure you tell a friend and come hang out at the backyard, yeah?
Mama, film White House, I'm here for me, you know? Yeah.
You have a question you want to ask him? All right.
So Mr. Backyard, do you stream live videos?
I was gonna stream, you know, tonight's show, but I said, I kinda, you know, I streamed that by last minute because I don't want people to sit down and stay home. You say, oh, I go stream and stay home and say, no, I come out.
Okay, good.
Yeah, when it comes to TV, radio, internet, graphics, and the whole entertainment thing that make people look good and sound good. It's right here. So,
as you guys can see, you know, image play a big role in the music industry. Whether it's good or bad, that's your choice to decide. This is your girl, Bogie. You know, want to just close out, you know, here with Kyenie, Lloyd Stiff, Jamar the Star. It's just everybody's in the building. Stay tuned for the next episode of Backyards TV, A Little Bit of Trouble.
Exclusive, Backyard.
Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free you soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Cause they're aiming for the stars and moon. So burn them out. Babylon will have to free them soon. Yeah. Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Cause they're aiming for the stars and the moon. Remove the burden from your shoulders, man. It's a better day. Don't let the pressure of them shits, they make you stress away. And you stop it at the rise, so Jah make a way. For redemption, get the root, you let us step away. No blood now running out the ghetto. No more gunshots now echo. Don't you Babylon a fall, Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Cause they're aiming for the stars and the moon things and burn them out. Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Babylon will have to free them soon. Aiming for the stars and the moon.
It's been so long since I've been waiting for your love, girl. Hey. I wrote my baby girl a letter, say I won't be coming home because I find someone better and I ain't gonna leave her alone. I said you know to cook my food, I said you know to treat this dude. So baby girl, tell me how you feel to know that I cheated on you and I'm about to leave. Hey. Just go over. There goes a pretty little kid, it's a family lifestyle that we ought to live. There goes the money in the bank, and there goes a house on the hill, and there goes a pretty little kids and a lifestyle. Oh.
Babylon burn.
Dogs.
I'm saving. Saving on.
It's a lucky burn.